Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Yellow Leads Extractor. Yellow Leads Extractor is actually a software that you can use to extract business data such as email addresses, phone number and website in target location from Yellow pages. Now that you know what Yellow Leads Extractor is all about, we can now start the installation process. This software installation is offline, so you will need to turn off the internet connection to your system and also turn off the Windows Defender on your system before you start this installation. Okay, alright, so in the downloaded file you are going to see this Yellow Leads Extractor, which is the setup file, and then the keygen, which is the license key. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to double click on the Yellow Leads Extractor, then click yes and install properly. Alright, so once the installation of the setup file is completed, you click on this launch Yellow Leads. You have to uncheck the box here and then click finish. Next, you have to open extract this keygen. Right click on it and extract here or extract all, depending on the system you are using. If you are using Windows 11, it will ask you to extract also. Since I'm using Windows 10, I'll have to extract here, or extract is you have to select a location you want your extraction to go to. Okay, but since I've extracted this, so I will copy this keygen, then go to your desktop, right click on the Yellow Leads Extractor and then select open file location. At your file location, then you paste the copied link. Alright, so I'm going to replace, continue. Alright, once replaced, you can see the file we just pasted here. Then I'll have to double click on it, then click yes, and you can see the serial number. Then copy the serial number. Let's copy the serial number, copy, then click on patch and then click on activate. Why I actually copy the serial number, in case when you open the software or the application is still asking you or demanding for the serial number, you can then use the serial number to activate it if this does not activate it directly. Okay, now we'll close this, then close this, and now launch the Yellow Leads Extractor. Okay, you can decide to run it as administrator for the first time. Click yes and then turn on your internet. Alright, our internet is turned on and our application has actually opened. Alright, so next you want to know if this is licensed. Once it is not licensed, the license Yellow Leads Extractor 9.2.0 will be showing you trial version at the top. But another thing you can use to check, when you click on this help, you find out that the only thing that is enabled here is update. Okay, every other thing is registration is not enabled because it's already registered. Buy full version is not enabled because this is the full version. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos, like and share with friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.